Microstructure shapes macro performance. Longer chains, more entanglement, higher strength. Higher crystallinity, more order, stronger, but more brittle. Cross-linked networks enhance both strength and toughness. Additives modify flexibility or stiffness. How do engineers balance strength and flexibility? Blending different polymers to combine strength and toughness. Layered structures for strength in one layer, flexibility in another. Nanoparticles improve strength without compromising flexibility. Soft and hard segments coexisting in a controlled network structure. In summary, tensile strength and elongation at break one reflects resistance to breaking. The other shows how far a material can stretch. Great materials achieve not just high performance in one aspect, but a balance between strength and flexibility. Want to learn more about automotive film performance, buying tips, and installation know-how? Follow us for more expert insights on automotive films.